Christmas here, and I have this cute little village that I've created for Christmas or winter, and it's just made out of little blocks of wood, and you can get this kit on the website. And I just wanted to show you how to do a couple of simple little strokes, how I did my tree branches here, and also how I did the snow on the roof of each house. And I've got my little tree here painted cool white, and I'm going to use a 3/8 angular, and I'm just going to tip into my first color, which is a blue, and I simply I'm going to work from the bottom of the tree up to the point in layers, and I'm going to put the chisel edge of my brush, which is loaded with the blue paint, down into the corner of my tree, and I'm just going to stroke up. And right off the bat, I have too much water in my brush, so I'm going to stroke up, and then for my next branch, I'm going to turn my brush over and stroke up again, and then back and forth, and I'm simply going to make my row in that manner. And then I'm going to tip into my white paint again, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. And I'm just going to allow the paint that was in my brush already to remain in the bristles as I tip into the blue again. And we simply work in rows, and the color that we tip into is going to be the dominant color for that row. So you don't get just a stark blue and white stripe for each layer or each row. And yet the color that you've tipped into is the dominant color, so you still get that nice blue-white value appearance. And that's it. That's as simple as it gets. And I did go ahead and do the sides of my tree in exactly the same manner. And this side here is done, and of course you're just going to have less wide rows. So exactly the same technique for the sides and back of your tree. Super simple, super cute little retro village. And so you will continue all the way up to the point of the tree. And here I have a finished tree, front, sides, and back. But on this tree, you can see there's a little bit of a stencil going on here. And this is the little mini stencil that I have available on my website. They're 2.5 inches big, and this is the Winter Wonderland, Retro Winter Wonderland stencil. And I'm just going to use my number 10 Fabulous Filbert with some white paint, and I'm going to stencil my little stars and falling snow over my tree. And this is just super fun, super cute. Look at that. And then when it's all dry, I'm going to varnish it, and then I added some cute little glitter to the front and sides of my tree, and also to my little village here. So I'm going to show you how I did the snow on this rooftop, and I'm still using my 3/8 angular and the white paint, and I'm going to work in layers for the rooftop as well. So you can pencil in where your roof line will be if you want to. It's not necessary if you think you can wing it. And I simply worked in layers in the same manner, but I'm using a scalloped method. And I'm just going to apply my snow in the first layer, and then when it's dry, I'm going to go back and I'm going to alternate my scallop. So where I have a scallop, I'm going to do a dip. Or where I have a, I don't know how I want to call that, where I have my scallop, I'm going to make a recess, and then where I have a dip, I'm going to make a scallop. And when that's dry, and you can see I'm not letting it dry, but that's okay. I'm going to make my, now what do I need? I need a dip and a recess, dip and a recess. And I'm just going to continue in that manner, and I'm going to load my brush for every row. And you can see that this is super simple as well. And I'm just going to do that all the way up to the top of my little house here. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for every single one of the little houses. And it just makes a super cute sort of retro type snowy roof appearance. And it's not realistic at all, just super simple, super cute. And as I said, you can get this cute little pattern and the kit pieces on the website. And I hope that you have fun painting cute little wintry Christmas items this season. And the stencils too, those are available on my website, and they are exclusive to kimchristmas.com. Oh, and they come with like a cute little punch hole, and you can hang them with a little safety clip, because we do have a variety of stencils going on, so you can collect them. And I'm going to have some different ones for different projects coming up in the next few months. So anyways, I hope you have fun with that, and I hope you enjoy those cute, simple little Christmassy, snowy techniques. Talk to you later.